Good morning, children. Hope you are all doing good. This is Swati, and I will take your chemistry classes. So, let's begin with Chapter 2 Physical and Chemical Changes. Now, see, changes are regularly observed in nature. Every moment, several changes take place around us. While some changes are easy to detect, others are too small to be noticed. Some of these changes are useful to us while others are not. Since most of the changes are different in nature, we need to classify them and study them accordingly in detail. So let's take up the first classification, slow and fast change. A slow change takes a longer time to complete, while a fast change takes a short time interval to get completed. Example of a slow change, there can be many examples. Formation of fossil fuels, it takes thousands of years to be completed. Fast change, bursting of cracker, it is done within few seconds. Not even few seconds, fraction of seconds only. The second classification is natural and man-made changes. Natural changes take place in nature by themselves. They occur, for example, we can take eruption of volcanoes. This is a natural change. Man-made changes, they occur due to efforts of human beings. Example, making a kite from paper. Right. The third type of classification is periodic and non-periodic changes. Periodic changes are repeated after a regular interval of time. Non-periodic changes, they can occur anytime. They do not show any kind of periodicity. Example of a periodic change can be change of seasons. Non-periodic change, earthquakes. So they can occur anytime and they don't show any kind of periodicity. Next type is desirable and undesirable change. Desirable change are useful to us, useful to mankind. For example, milk turning into curd. Undesirable changes, we don't want them to happen. They bring about destruction. For example, floods. Reversible and irreversible changes. Reversible changes, we can get back the original state. It is mostly a change in state, and we identify it with a reversible arrow. We can get back the original substance here. Irreversible change, they can be like burning of paper. We do not get the original substance back. Right. Now see, with all these description, with slow and fast change description, you should be able to solve activity 2. They have given a list of changes and you have to classify them in slow and fast change. Activity 3 has a list of changes which have to be classified under desirable and undesirable change. Activity 4 has reversible and irreversible changes examples. Now we move on to the next type of changes, physical and chemical.